Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Asyad Yafiq bin Amran. My matric number card is 19CD190214. I am the group from the group 6C, and I will present about process and parameter of the injection molding. About introduction about injection molding. Injection molding is the manufacturing process commonly used for the factory item for plastic, ticket and toy to automatic body part, cell phone case, water bottle and container. Injection molding is the final process using mold, but the material are meeting and point into the mold where they harden and the product are taken out and finishing. Injection molding is used to manufacture commodities and product in the wide range of industry.
Assalamualaikum and hi to everyone. My name is Muhammad Syami Aziz bin Khalid. Matric number is 190262. Okay, I will tell you about product design. The most basic step in injection molding is the design of the product because it is the earliest opportunity to prevent expensive mistake. There are many objectives to design such as functions, accessibility, manufacturability and assembly. The right design is the one accomplishes the required objective to a satisfactory level, which require a lot of creativity to get there. Product design is most often accomplishes with computer-aided design CAD software like SolidWorks. Professionally in CAD software is vital because it allows for quicker iteration and more accurate prototyping is necessary. Mold designs. Molds are commonly made from this type of metal, hardened steel, typically the most expensive material to use for a mold and generally the longest lasting. This makes hardened steel a good material choice for products where multiple hundreds of thousands are to be produced. Pre-hardened steel does not last as cycle as hardened steel and is less expensive to create. Aluminium, most commonly used for single cavity prototype tooling when a relatively low number of parts are needed for testing. Once the injection molded parts from this tool are tested and approved, then a multiple cavity steel production tool is produced. Beryllium copper alloy, typically used in areas of the mold that need fast heat removal or where shear heat is concentrated. Last but not least, just as we overall product design, mold design is another opportunity to prevent defect during the injection molding process.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Farhanadi bin Payat and my matric number is CD180082. Today I would like to talk to you about design rules for mold. Okay. There are a lot of features that we can consider on this design rule of mold. The first feature is wall of thickness. The second is edges. The third is thick of sections. The fourth is ribs. And then rough angle, bosses, tacks, snap leaf joints, crush ribs, leaving hinges, and undercuts.
Muhammad Ikrami bin Gani. Today I would like to present about injection molding process. First step is feeding material. The second step is plasticization or minting. Third step is injection. Fourth step is holding pressure. First step is folding down. Sixth step is mold open. Seventh step is mold release. Eighth step is mold close. The meaning of feeding material is fillet or powder feed into the hoppers. Plasticization meaning is the plastic is heated in the barrel turned from solid fillet into molding flow. The meaning of injection is plasticization molding pushed to the forepart of the barrel. The meaning of holding pressure is screw will continuously force the molded. The meaning of cooling down is step start the minute the molting plastic flow. The meaning of mold release is plastic part is pushed out the mold by injector. Stop. Most common material used in plastic injection molding: propylene, polyethylene, butadiene, polyethylene, polyamide, polycarbonate, AC, ABS, blade, polystyrene. Stop.
Next, I would like to talk to you about type of injection molding. Okay, there are three types of injection molding. First is hydraulic, mechanical, and electrical. Okay, for hydraulic, the hydraulic press have historically been the only option available to molders until Nese Plastic Industrial Company introduced the first all-electric injection molding machine in 1983. Hydraulic machine, though not nearly as precise as predominant type in most of the world, with the exception of Japan. Second is mechanical. Mechanical type machine use the toggle system for building up tonnage on the clamp side of the machine. Tonnage is required on all machines so that the clamp side of the machine does not open due to the injection pressure. If the tool half opens up, it will create slash in the plastic product. Okay, lastly is electric. The electric press, also known as EMT, which is electric machine technology, reduces operation costs by cutting energy consumption and also addresses some of the environmental concerns surrounding the hydraulic press. Electric presses have been shown to be quieter, faster, and higher accuracy. However, the machines are more expensive.
So hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Nazrin bin Razali. My metric number is CD184. So today I'm going to talk about the advantages and disadvantages for injection molding. So stay tuned. So the first advantage for injection molding is high repeatability. High repeatability means once your mold tool is made, identical product can be made over and over again and again. A decently made mold tool has a very long mold to life as long as it's treated well by the molding machine setters. So the second one is low cost per part. While there is an initial high investment for the plastic injection molding tool, after that the cost per part is very low. Other plastic technique may require multiple operations like polishing. Injection molding can do it all at once. So the third advantages is it is very fast. Cycle times can be as low as 10 seconds. Combine that with a multi-impression injection molding tool and you get a lot of product very quickly. The part above take a bit longer as it is specialist material and has a lot of features to be molded correctly. But at about 50 seconds, you still get 70 parts per cavity per hour. CNC machining a one-off would take a half day. 3D printing it even longer. So a part of the advantages of injection molding, there will also disadvantages of it. So the first disadvantages is high initial cost. The injection molding tool needed to make the molding while need designing and manufacturing. The mold tool is an intricate piece of work which costs manpower, material and many machining hours to make and represent the larger costs in getting injection molding. Of course, once it is all done, part cost is very low and repeatability very high for hundreds of thousands of molding. So the second disadvantages for injection molding is careful design is needed. Plastic molding need very careful design to avoid tooling issues like undercut, which will send up tooling costs significantly, lock in features and not enough draft. The material and temperature will need to be taken into account in wall design, otherwise the mold may not fill fully. The placement of ejectors and cooling line will need to be considered to ensure the product is aesthetically pleasing.
Okay, as for discussion, The process control and process parameters of injection molding, we would like to talk about cylinder temperature, the melting temperature, the mold temperature, injection pressure, injection speed, and the time parameter, which is the molding cycle.
This project, injection molding is the great technology for finish production of massive scale. It also useful for finalized prototype that are used for development or the product testing. Prior to this late stage in the production, however, 3D printing is the more affordable and flexible for product in the early stage of design. Injection molding is the one of the most important process for plastic, and it has very wide list of kind of product it can produce, which make it easy, make it very versatile. Thank you.